In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use one iCloud account on two iPhones. This can be incredibly useful if you want to streamline your experience across multiple devices, ensuring that your data is consistent and accessible wherever you go. Let's dive right in and get started. First, what you'll need to do is sign in with the same Apple ID on both of your iPhones. To do this, you'll want to grab each device and head to the main settings app. Now, once you're in the settings, you'll see the Apple ID section right at the top. Simply tap on it to access the Apple ID settings. This is where you'll enter that same Apple ID and password on both devices. It's critical to ensure that both iPhones are signed into the very same account. This is what allows them to share data seamlessly. Once you've successfully signed into the same Apple ID, the next step is to enable iCloud sync options. This will allow various types of data to be shared across your devices. To do this, remain within the Settings app and tap on your name, which will bring you to the Apple ID management screen. From there, select iCloud. Here you'll see a list of different data categories such as photos, contacts, messages, notes, and so on. You should then turn on the options for the data types you want to sync. For example, if you want to have access to your photos and contacts on both phones, simply toggle these options on. It's quite straightforward and you can customize it according to your preferences, selecting only the data types you truly need synchronized. Now that you've set this up, let's talk about what will actually sync using one iCloud account on two iPhones. When you enable syncing, you're sharing data between devices, which means your photos, contacts, notes, reminders, calendar entries, and even your Safari data will be exactly the same on both phones. If you've enabled the iCloud messages option, your iMessages will also be mirrored. That way any message you send or receive will appear on both devices, keeping your conversations consistent no matter which phone you're using. It's important to note that any changes made on one iPhone will automatically reflect on the other. So if you add a new contact or delete a note, that update will occur across both devices instantly. This synchronized experience ensures you're always in tune regardless of which phone you pick up. By following these instructions, you can now effortlessly manage your digital life across two iPhones, making your daily interactions smooth and connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy syncing!